Hello world, this is ML, and I am back with another video vlog. But this time, I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Grand Hotel in Tijuana, Mexico. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, so let's start with the front door. Of course, the evacuation point here. Now to my left here is your closet. As you can see, ample space. Okay, plenty of hangers, extra pillows and blankets. We have an iron and an ironing board. And on the other side of the closet, you have a dresser with 2 drawers. Okay, now on to the bathroom. Purse. So as you can see, we have a huge mirror. What we got here? We have almond and olive conditioner. You have a revitalizing shampoo, body soap, and moisturizing lotion. What's this? Shoe polisher. Wow, okay. Now, this is the first time I ever received, or first time I ever book a hotel and they give you a free complimentary shoe polisher. It says here by Italy, from Italy. Okay. And this is shower cap. All right. We have a hair dryer. I'm guessing this is hand towels. 2 glasses. All right. And this is the sink. Okay. Okay. You have your toilet and your shower. Okay. It's not a standalone, it's a shower with a bathtub, but that'll do. And you have towels over here. That's wash rag, and I'm guessing a shower rag. Okay, now on to the rooms. This is what you'll see coming from the door. Okay, so this is just a lounge, you know, something where you could just sit down, maybe just relax or something. I don't know. TV, maybe a 36 or a 42, maybe a 42. Okay, that's my card, key card. I'm staying on the 22nd floor, room 18. Holla. There's your breakfast. Okay. Grand Hotel Tijuana, casino and resort. Okay, you have coffee. Okay. Cafe Negrita. Okay. All right. So I'm assuming this is your office space for businessmen and women that wants to work while on vacation. Okay. Okay. This is great. You have thermal curtains or blackout curtains. Perfect. Not much of a view. No balcony. But I don't care. On to the two beds. Okay. So I'm thinking this is queen size bed. Just assuming. Two queen size bed, a nightstand, and a night lamp, I'm guessing. Okay. And you have your room temperature control. They're using Celsius in Mexico, Celsius. Okay. And yeah, so that's it. It's nothing special, but it's clean. Grand Hotel at Tijuana, Mexico. What is my first impression? My first impression, clean. Okay, clean, organized. I still can't get over that this particular hotel gave or give a complimentary shoe polish, which is one up on any other hotels that I've been in or I checked in. So that's one up on any other hotels. Okay. Also, shout out to the front desk hotel staff. Check-in was a breeze. Okay, so let me tell you what happened. I accidentally or mistakenly booked one king size bed, but I need two double beds or two queen size bed, whatever it is. I just need two separate beds. Okay, and I'm glad that we're able to accommodate. So I would like to give a shout out to the front desk. I forgot your name. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So my final thoughts. It's easy to get here from the border, across the border from San Ysidros, California. And we took the blue line down to the last stop and we walked over to the border and that's it. I used my Uber app. The driver got here about I wasn't really counting, but let's just say 5 minutes or maybe 10. I don't know. I wasn't counting. But it cost equivalent of $6.50 for a 10-minute ride. That's great. That's really great. Yeah, so I have no problems. I have no critique of this hotel. This hotel, by the way, have casino downstairs right next to the lobby. And I think they have a restaurant as well. So I'll be checking that out later on this evening. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. Thank you. Hello world, good morning. As I mentioned before, we are in the Grand Hotel Tijuana, and I just want to share my view of this room. There you go. So this looks like a golf course, and the city's out there. Get a little close up. And this I guess the other building that looks exactly like this one. Or it's just designed that way, I guess. Nice view. Have some people playing golf already. So yeah, that was a nice add-on with a nice view, and you know, I couldn't see it last night because of course it was dark, and we kind of checked in a little late. We checked in around 8 o'clock, I'm thinking. But yeah, nice view. So I'm heading to the dentist right now. I have a dentist appointment, and they're gonna evaluate my teeth. And if there's any work that needs to be done, let's get it. And after, we're gonna check out downtown Tijuana, and I'll see you guys later. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.